In this video, I'm going to be going over how to disable pingbacks and trackbacks in WordPress step by step. Disabling pingbacks and trackbacks in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have pingbacks and trackbacks disabled in WordPress. Let's get started. To start, I'm in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Settings tab in the left side menu. Click Discussion. Up at the top, you'll see Allow Link Notifications from other blogs, pingbacks and trackbacks on new posts. Unselect this option to disable pingbacks in WordPress along with disabling trackbacks in WordPress. Scroll down to the bottom and click the Save Changes button. If you want to only disable pingbacks and trackbacks on an individual WordPress post, here's how to do this. In the left side menu, click on Posts. Next, find the post you want to disable pingbacks and trackbacks to. Click the Edit tab under the post. Make sure Post is selected here. You'll see Discussion showing towards the bottom. Click Discussion. You'll see Allow Pingbacks and Trackbacks is selected. Unselect this option. Click the Update button at the top to save your changes. This will disable pingbacks and trackbacks in WordPress only on that individual post. That is how to disable pingbacks and trackbacks in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.